Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is U.S. Immigration Attorney Hardam Tripathi from Trip Law. Today I want to briefly discuss a template that we like to include in our E2 applications for clients that is very important. This is a intent to depart the United States. Basically, as you know, an E2 visa is a non-immigrant visa, meaning that the intent has to be to depart the United States once the E2 visa expires. Now, you may want to renew your visa or extend that visa, and we'll talk about that in another video. However, it's very important, though, to know that this part or this component of the application is very important because you have to show to the State Department and to the consulate that you're going to be interviewing at that ultimately you do have that intent to depart, that you understand that it is a non-immigrant visa, and that it is there temporary, for temporary sake, as you run that business under that E2 time frame that you've been allotted by the government. And so one thing is we do put that intent to depart the United States template within the application. The reason I'm bringing it up today is so you have the language and you kind of understand how to draft it if you were to do it yourself, if filing, or if you come into our law office. We'd be more than happy to provide that for you so that you have all your I's dotted and T's crossed. Ultimately, the way we do this intent to depart, it's very matter of fact. All you have to do is ultimately on the top left-hand corner, you would put the United States consulate and then whatever consulate you're at. So if it's at the Consulate General in, for example, Frankfurt, you would put United States Consulate General, Frankfurt. Then you would put whatever the address is for that specific consulate or embassy, and then you would, underneath that, you would put in big bold letters regarding the statement of intention to depart the United States. And then after that, you would say, to whom it may concern, or dear sir or madame, and then you'd say, by my signature, I, and then you would put your name there. It could be, for example, Tom James, for example's sake. I, Tom James, confirm that it is my intention to depart the United States of America upon expiration of my E status. And then you would put best regards, Tom James, and then you would date it as Mr. Tom James, and then you would ultimately sign off on that. And that's just one little key component of the whole E2 application, but it's very important because the government will want to know that your intent is to depart and that you're not planning on overstaying that visa, or that this visa is not an immigrant visa but rather a non-immigrant visa with a temporary status. So if you have any questions about that, please feel free to give us a call at 863-370-2427 or email us at info@trip-law.com. We'd be more than happy to answer your questions, schedule a consult, and ultimately get you on the path forward to obtaining that visa, that E2 visa, so that you can live that American dream. So thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope you found this nugget very interesting, and we wish you the best with your E2 journey. Thank you, and this is U.S. Immigration Attorney Hardam Tripathi from Trip Law. Have a great day.